Crack the code of replacing your Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga 11E battery in under a minute. Unfasten the 10 screws on the back of your laptop. Carefully remove the back cover. Now, spot the battery. It's the large black rectangle with a wire leading to the motherboard. Unplug the connector from the motherboard, then unscrew the 4 screws holding the battery in place. Lift out the old battery. Now, reverse the process. Place your new battery in, screw it down, then plug it back into the motherboard. Replace the back cover, fasten those 10 screws back in, and voila! Your Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga 11E has a new lease on life. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery. It's a small step towards a greener planet. Repeat as needed and keep your tech game strong.